Hey you guys, it's Mimi again, and today I've got Newtonian physics. It's such a cool book. You are gonna totally love this one. I'm totally into science, and this book is way cool. Check it out. This is a ball. Okay, it starts out a little basic, but it gets really cool. This ball feels the force of gravity. Whoosh, it's going down, gravity. We can't see gravity. It's the force that keeps us on the ground. That's really important, isn't it? The force of gravity is pulling the ball down. This ball is on the ground. It still feels the force of gravity. That's what keeps it on the ground. But it also feels the force of the ground. The force of the ground equals the force of the gravity. That's why it doesn't move. It just stays on the ground. Cool, huh? Got you thinking already? The net force on the ball is 0. It does not change its motion. This is a ball. This ball has a net force. This is a page that doesn't want to turn. I feel like I'm missing something. It does change its motion. It accelerates. That means it gets faster. This ball has mass. Remember we talked about mass? That's weight. This big ball has even more mass. The little ball has less mass. More mass, more force. Big heavy ball, whoosh, more force going down. Little tiny ball, less mass, whoop, less force. The force of the ground always equals the force of gravity. That's really cool. This guy here, he's kind of funny looking. This is Isaac Newton. He wrote 3 laws of motion. He has no teeth. When this apple falls from the tree, it doesn't float away, right? When something falls down, what happens? It doesn't float away. This apple feels the force of the gravity. It falls to the ground. Sir Isaac Newton, he felt the force of the apple when the apple fell out of the tree and crashed on his head. Wow. Now you know Newtonian physics. 1. Newton's first law of motion. If an object has 0 net force, it does not change its motion. 2. Newton's second law of motion. The net force is equal to mass times acceleration. 3. Newton's third law of motion. For every force, there's an equal force in the opposite direction. That was so cool. Thanks for reading with me. Now you know about Newtonian physics. I bet you'll hear about it lots more. Take care, everyone. Bye.